Maven chasing after. So is Harris. But the pass is incomplete. So David Harris.
Veronica, what the hell are you doing? Changing water bottles?
Giving chase.
Open.
Former Bill here, 51. Well, when the play doesn't go on time,
I can't believe she just carried that.
but Aaron Maven
Put it back.
Veronica, that weighs 80 pounds.
put it down when it's like the second.
I can't even lift that.
As fast as any defensive lineman, really, Ryan Fitzpatrick, pretty solid hit. He was a little slow getting up. Yeah, he was last week.
Veronica, go put it back.
London Fletcher hitting
Go put it back where you got it from. Come on, go.
hit a quarterback, and he's still feeling some of those effects.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he was on the injury report all week with a chest bruise. This hit, oh man, and what did he say? 30 seconds or so, and he had the wind knocked out. As long as he's ever had his wind knocked out, usually comes back after about 5 seconds or so. I think we all, not to be talking about the Washington Redskins, but we all came away from that game and went, wow, London Fletcher, he is unbelievable. 14 years a linebacker and how he played.
Veronica, what are you doing?
Another former Bill. Yeah, how about that? Yes. So Fitzpatrick had this stretch going of 3 straight games, 70% completion percentage, tying a Jim
Be careful
Kelly
with your head.
team record, but he's under 50% today, 46%. The short
Careful.
passes were taken away, and Jim, the